Yeah, you want to be in my video, my short film,
Your short film?
my BMX short film.
Is it gonna have bitches in it? I don't want to be in it if we got bitches in it. Or a Cadillac. That's the two stipulations.
I'll find a Cadillac.
Alright.
What else you have to say?
Don't believe anything the world tells you because the world is trying to kill you.
That was mad deep. God dang.
I mean, the earth is a living thing, bro.
You're a living thing.
That too. But I ain't the earth.
Ah!
We got tools. Hurry up.
Oh my god!
Oh, nah.
Another fucking hour and a half ride. He's looking for a spot where he feels comfortable. He's gonna pee.
We got like, what, 30 minutes?
I say you gotta drive the car. Can you keep up with you though? That's the
Car could definitely keep up.
How many times you give it a checkup? Honestly, all the jokes
I
aside.
did an oil change at 9. I know. I'll teach you
I
how
know,
to
but whenever you're free, because I don't want
I'll teach you how to drive for sure. I was like, yo, what's your name, bro?
sometimes your energy's a little too much, Pat.
Yeah, but like, how you gonna say I don't fuck with you?
Why are you screaming? We're right next to you.
Parking spot. I was parked right there.
This nigga said, oh, well, fuck it.
Oh, fuck it.
Oh, we're here.
Yeah, we're here. Bro, I was like,
Yo, let me out! Hey, we fucking made it!
take a pic.
Yo, what's good, gang?
Yeah, man, you already know
Yo.
what time it is, bro. Oh, whoa. Hey, what do you need, gang? What do you need?
I need you to run that shit.
Oh shit, I got a phone.
Let me see that.
I got two guys in the back that'll work. They'll work.
Hey, yo, pause. Let me see that. Good looks. Yo, that's right. Yeah, I'm gonna need that too.
What the fuck? Let me see good looks, dude.
Yo, it's good, fat ass. Homie.
I don't need this shit, right? Oh no, man.
hey, no bars, no entry.
Yeah, no
What?
bar, no entry.
No bar, no entry.
Oh, damn. Okay.
Bruh, it's gonna be that shit where
It's good, babes.
I know something new here.
Hey, ¿qué lo que?
Bro, I'm shaking like. I didn't know Lou was
I love that.
Oh, fuck.
Now you're gonna get run over. Yo, worms are in full effect.
Damn, this thing isn't a shot.
I just hit the gaze double pegging on that.
Yeah, Christian Aguilar. Edgar haircut. Edgar. Hurry up, knucklehead.
Not sponsored. Yeah!
I'm hard to go. I'm hard to go.
Where the who? Where the mommy? Where the mommy?
Oh shit.
W Day. Come see.
Wait, we're not going to the gas station or what?
Who's we?
Oh, y'all going straight home?
No. We're gonna go get some grub.
Huh?
See you.
Bye, camera.
Yo. Yo, run that shit, Holmes.
Oh, what the fuck?
Oh shit, Chip.
Nah, bitch. You going to the gas station?
I don't know. We might go get some grub.
Yeah, let's go to the gas station. It's right down the street.
All right.
Get the fuck up out of here, bro.
All right, yo, be safe. Yo, say bye to YouTube.
The court?
Yeah, I saw that shit.
That shit was funny, right?
I was fuck, I didn't get that on video.
You know what?
What?
Go to McDonald's.
We're not. Where?
Follow us.
I said that. Bye, baby dick.
Just don't like driving in this area. It's not me. I don't like stop and drive. This gets me nervous.
With your seatbelt?
No, I'm saying that like,
What did he say?
yo, who's getting McDonald's? Only you, right?
Yeah.